This is the Human Resources Model, Module 7. Um, we looked at the frame of leadership by two authors, and um, like many of the other things we've studied this school year, it has come down to organizations run better when they're more family-like structure instead of more of a dictatorship where you have one person in charge and doesn't build relationships with the people that are supporting them. And so in this human resources frame of leadership, organizations are viewed as families. Each member that has a need requires attention, and each member also has a skill to contribute. And I believe this goes from the bottom of the pyramid all the way to the top. Every person in the organization has a need that will require some sort of attention, and everybody has a skill to contribute to a problem, a plan for the future, a goal. Relationships continue to develop as the organization becomes stronger. In the beginning, it might appear weak because people are unfamiliar with each other, but as people spend more time together, those relationships grow into friendships, some of them, and those relationships that grow stronger build a better foundation for a organization that's going to succeed in the future. Um, Focus is on skills, attitudes, teamwork, and communication. Again, this is going to go into whether you're playing sports, running an organization, your family. If you want something to succeed, you need to have open communication at all times. You need to be able to work as a team, stay positive because negativity is going to bring an organization down super fast. It tears apart groups, it's lack of development, there's lack of progress, and knowing who has skills that are going to make it better because everybody possesses different skills, then each person has something to contribute. For a goal, it aligns organizational and human needs. So if we're as a school need to succeed on our testing because we have low scores, what are we going to do as an organization to make it better? And what are the needs of our students and our teachers that we can support? So kids are feeling success, that they are learning better, and teachers feel like they have the tools necessary to teach their kids. And decisions and communication are free flowing. Organizations often don't run well when you have one person making a decision and the communication is a one way path. It needs to go both ways, and decisions need to be made sometimes as a group, sometimes as a leader taking the reins, but I think it's important for people to know that they have a voice in the decision-making process. So when I looked at putting everybody in a hierarchy, I kind of did an opposite pyramid, not starting at the top. I put like a foundation. So I believe that principals, teachers, and paraprofessionals set the foundation for the school. Of course, we can't work one without the other, but students are the top concern for everybody in a school setting. Underneath the students, as we dig deeper, we need to have a good foundation for them to succeed. They need to know there's support from the community and that they're safe within the community. Parents are providing support at home, within the school, and knowing that there's involvement in the school, then students have a greater tie to their education. Alumni being able to support the school's atmosphere and provide resources. And then underneath them, we have the office staff, cooks, custodians, and maintenance crew who really make the school run. They are the ones that keep everybody on their toes. They help keep community partners involved. They are always contacting the parents. They may at times contact alumni for various events. So those guys kind of come next. And it's always, if you don't appreciate those people, then they're going to start slacking off, and you're going to see it in the schools, and then parents in the community are going to see it, and comments will start being made. Below them, and I think this is a very strong structure, is we have our principal, teachers, and paraprofessionals. Paras have to work closely with teachers because they are there to support certain students, and the teachers have to be able to support their principal, and vice versa. The principal has to support the teachers and the paraprofessionals. So without um, them as our base, then everything else kind of sinks away. Without strong leadership, the office staff isn't going to work. The cooks aren't going to maybe follow health codes. Custodians won't clean as well as they should. And the maintenance crew might let the grounds lapse. So like I said, I kind of did it as a reverse. Instead of putting the principal up top, I felt that the students are the top of our pyramid, and each level is somebody that's supporting our students in their success.